Yo, what's up, guys? Reaper Boy TV back here, and yes, I know I'm not doing like I'm supposed to and show the video, but yeah, I'm with quarantine or something. I don't know where you stay inside because of the virus. I don't know name, but yeah, I'm pretty much quarantining. That's why I'm making so much music. But yeah. Today, I'm gonna show you a saro beat. I think it was the one with um dang, I have him on Facebook too. Um, no, it's not Robin. Shoot, what's the name of that guy? The Keep It. I'm just gonna say the Keep It Strange guy. Inky. That's what it is. It was him battling Inky, and I like the beat. And yes, I didn't do the full beat. I just did the first little chunk of it, cause that's my favorite part of this, the song he did. But yeah, I'm gonna show you step by step, kinda, of everything, every parts of that beat he used. So the first is this one, is the vocal. And if you look here, that's the stupid thing. But you get the gist of it, since my garage band's not working, rest in peace. And the second part is this. And the last part is. Alright, then there's this part. You can, what I did to get the accents right, I kept everything quiet and I listened to the accents, imagine it, and turn them up high so you get the. Here how it has that accent. All you have to do is keep a steady thing, and all you gotta do is where the accents need to be placed, turn the volume up a little bit. And there's the snare. Now I use a snare of synthetic bass. Oh yeah, I forgot to say this. The symbol is trapdoor. I use Cosmic Boys Choir because that sounded the most realistic to me. So yeah, and on the snare, to give it that stage like, I put the reverb halfway on this. And there's the claps. So what I did is made just a constant cut, 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 cut. And what I did is where it needs to, same thing as I did symbols, make it the high volumes, the accent, so it actually pops out like this. So that's pretty much. Then there's the. And that's that part. Then there's the bass. Well, that's Solaris with the kick, and the bass is 808 mutation bass, which is. And this. Hold up. Let me try to do something here. Since I got that already, maybe if I duplicate it, it might work. Let's pray that it works. Let's do this. There we go. Alright, we're back in business. I guess I have to duplicate this stupid thing. But if you see here for the I'm gonna show you what it sounds like first, so you get a estimated sound. For that, you just edit. So it's that one, and yeah, this is how I spaced it out. So there's just one, just big giant note for it. So once you get that, it'll be like. I just dropped it down to the lower ones, and then if you pay attention to it, he switches it up, so it'll be like this. And the closest I can get to that instrument he does on his loop station, I just use hard rock. And yeah, it's just this one and this one to that one. Then he switches it up again where it's like, and yeah. So all it is, you space the bottom one out, which is, and what you do is you fill it in with the, so you do that for 2 measures, and the other 2 measures is, so that's pretty much how it is. So let me zoom out a little bit so you get a reference to that. So we go to the clapping part, and if you pay attention, it actually goes after when the clapping part is, which is the pippa. You want to go here, and it is this. Literally, that's it for that one. And let's see here. And if he actually, before the drop hits, he does this vocal here, which is, and yes, this stuff is not accurate because, hey, I'm just remaking it. So, yeah, this is the closest you, if you try hard enough, you probably can get perfect, but me, so it's this, and this one. And this is what it sounds like.